Authorities have shut down unlicensed industrial operations in Chonburi's free zone after uncovering multiple violations. The operation was prompted by public complaints and conducted with court approval and interagency coordination. Industry Minister Ekanat Prompan said a special task force raided Metal Central Company Limited in Nong Hiang Sub-District, Panat Nikom District. Violations included illegal factory activity, hazardous waste storage, unauthorized machinery use, untreated wastewater discharge, and undocumented labor employment. The sub-district administrative organization halted illegal wastewater discharge. Immigration police arrested 14 undocumented workers. Charges were filed against the company for illegal operations, hazardous waste violations, and hiring illegal labor. Further action will depend on contamination test results.